Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn some problems from exercise 13.2, question number 10. Construct triangle ABC in which AB is 8 centimeter and angle A is 45 degree and angle C is 100 degree. By using these values we are going to construct a triangle ABC. First, given condition we should write. What is given? Given AB is equal to 8 centimeter and angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle C is 100 degree. Angle C is 100 degree. To construct triangle ABC, we need to find angle B first. By using angle sum property, we can find angle B. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A we know that is 45 degree and the angle B is unknown, keep as it is, and the angle C is 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus, if we add these two values we will get 145 degree is equal to 180 degree. 145 degree we should take into other side, we get angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree, that is 35 degree. Now we got angle B 35 degree. By using these values, now we can construct triangle ABC. To construct triangle ABC, we are going to draw a line segment AB, that is 8 centimeter. By using a ruler we can draw 8 centimeter. And name them AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we are going to find angle A. To find angle A, less than half of the radius you take by using compass and make a arc. Make a circle. By using same measure, you draw arc on the circle. Now we are going to find 45 degree. To find 45 degree, we need to find 30 degree first. Now you take more than half of the radius by using compass and keep this point as a center and draw a arc and keep this point as a center and cut this arc. Now join these 2 points with the dotted lines. To find 45 degree, we need to find 30 degree. By using 30 degree and 60 degree, we are going to find the 45 degree. We are going to find the midpoint of 30 degree and 40 degree. Take same length by using compass and make a arc. Keep as a this point as a center and make a arc and keep this point as a center and join this arc. Now join these 2 points Now measure by using protractor, measure it. By using protractor you measure, we got 45 degree. And name this ray as X. Angle A is 45 degree. Now we are going to find angle B. Angle B is 35 degree. To find 35 degree, we are going to use protractor. If it is multiples of 15 degree, by using compass we can find the angle. If it is not multiples of 15 degree, we should use protractor. We can keep B as a center. By using protractor, we are going to find the 30 degree. Keep B as a center and count from this side. Count from right side. 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree. In between 30 and 40, we have 35 degree, and mark it and join these 2 points. Join these 2 points by using ruler. Name it as Y. And this intersection point you named as C. Now measure, now verify angle C is 100 degree or not. Verify. Keep this C as a center and verify it. Yeah. Verified. Angle C is 100 degree. Next question, construct a right angle triangle PQR where hypotenuse is 5 cm and PQ, that is 3 cm, and angle Q is 90 degree. By using these values, we are going to construct right angle triangle PQR. Given PQ is 3 cm and PR is 5 cm and angle Q is 90 degree. To construct right angle triangle PQR, we are going to find PQ first. Draw a line segment PQ, that is 3 cm. By using ruler, we can draw it. PQ is 3 cm. Now we are going to find angle Q, that is 90 degree. By using compass, we can find out. You take less than half of the radius by using compass and draw a circle, draw a semicircle. And keep same length. Keep this point as a center and make an arc, and keep this point as a center and make an arc. By using compass, you take more than half of the radius and keep this point as a center and make an arc, and keep this point as a center and make an arc, and join these 2 points by using ruler. And name this ray as A. Now we are going to find PR. PR we know that is 5 cm. By using compass and ruler, we are going to measure 5 cm. And keep P as a center and make arc on ray A. Name this point as R, and now join PR. With the ruler we can join PR is 5 centimeter, angle Q is 90 degree. Now measure this value, measure PR, that is PQR is 4 centimeter. Therefore QR is equal to 4 centimeter. Thank you, students.